Is your hand just in the mashed potatoes? She's got like a fistful of mashed potatoes.
I think it's warm.
Ellie, eat your Thanksgiving dinner.
Happy Thanksgiving! Mason, Happy Thanksgiving!
Bless you. Grandpa does play iPad.
Actually, it's a galaxy. It's like it's a galaxy. Get it right.
That is not an iPad. That's a galaxy. She's gonna change right now.
Here, Ellie.
Frankie! Come on, Frank.
Please.
Come on, Frank. No, sorry. Frank. Say Happy
Is
Thanksgiving.
it yummy? Eat it. Don't.
She's not that fascinated.
Yeah, no one's pressuring you or anything.
Remember Mason's Thanksgiving dinner? It was like shoveling it in.
It's a birthday cake. Oh gosh.
She's very dainty. She's a girl. You want another bite?
He wants Angry Birds. He wants Angry Birds.
Well, OC's all taken care of. I can't believe I'm turning 28.
I already am
Just kidding.
28.
Oh, you're old. You're almost 30, Laura.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
Good girl.
She just, the mashed potatoes, she just stuck her hand in.
Did she? What's that?
What time is it?
6, I think.
I think it's 6, yeah.
It's like 6:06.